Bryson the Trailer Guy here, and listen, most people think that if you want to get the most out of your utility trailer, then you're going to have to invest a lot of money in it. But here's the truth. All you need are these 5 things and you'll take your utility trailer to the next level. I've got a bonus tip at the end that is literally one of the best upgrades you can make to just about any trailer, so make sure to stick around. I'm going to start with what I think is the most practical utility trailer upgrade you can make. So, of course, this trailer comes with a toolbox already, but most utility trailers won't, and I don't understand why. It's literally the most practical thing to have on any trailer. Why? Because at some point, you're going to need to keep something with your trailer, be it tie downs, locks, straps, or something else. Having a place to store those things is an absolute game changer for your towing experience. Since most utility trailers don't come with a toolbox pre-installed, I've got some affiliate links below where you can grab one. I've also got affiliate links for everything else that I'm talking about in this video, so check them out, and thank you in advance if you purchase something because it definitely helps out the channel. Upgrade number 2 might actually be a necessity depending on where you live. Even if it's not a necessity though, it'll make your trailer much safer, and it may honestly even be more valuable for its secondary purpose, which is theft prevention. Depending on the trailer chocks that you buy, you can keep your trailer safe from rolling around on you as well as from sticky fingers. And here are a couple of options. This first option isn't my favorite, but it will definitely help protect your trailer. It's pretty easy to take on and off, and it'll definitely make stealing your trailer much more difficult. However, the reason I'm not a fan of it is because there's one pretty easy workaround, which is to just take the wheel off. Of course, if you have a single axle trailer, a thief would still have to bring wheels with them to put back on it. But if you have a tandem axle trailer, they could potentially just drive it with only a single wheel on one of the axles or even on both sides. So if you have a tandem axle trailer and you want to get these, make sure to put them both on the same side to prevent that. There's another option though, and this one is a little bit more expensive, but the thing I love about these is that they cover the lug nuts so you can't just take the wheel off. Number 3 solves a problem that is probably better for me to just show you instead of trying to tell you. If you have a single axle trailer, it's so easy to tilt that thing backwards when you're loading or even just standing on it. And if you have enough weight, you can do it to a tandem axle trailer too. These jack stands are only rated for 1,000 pounds each, but honestly, you probably shouldn't be loading much more than that on a single axle utility trailer anyway. And the full weight probably won't be directly on them if you have a tandem axle trailer. There are tons of options out there for jack stands, so I definitely would suggest looking around and seeing what you can find and what's going to work best for you. These are my personal favorite because they fold up and down easily, and you don't have to use any room up in your toolbox because they attach straight to the trailer. Either way though, jack stands are the way to go if you ever plan on loading anything onto your utility trailer. After selling trailers for as long as I have, it's rare that I run into a product that I haven't seen before in some capacity. Number 4 is definitely an exception to that rule though, and it just might blow you away if you haven't seen it before either. You never know where you might need a tie down, and one of the most annoying things in the world is needing to tie something down and not having a place to. Enter removable D-rings. These things fit in the stake pockets on the side of your trailer so that you have a place to tie down even if you don't have a place to tie down to. If your trailer doesn't have stake pockets, then I'm just going to apologize now since this doesn't really help you much. But hopefully it does, because these things are rated for 5,400 pounds. So they can definitely be a game changer. Speaking of removable upgrades, number 5 is... Before I get there though, make sure to not forget about the bonus tip at the end. Okay. Continue. A removable spare tire mount. Back to this awesome trailer. Many trailers come with spare tire mounts welded on, while some don't come with a spare tire mount at all. Neither is ideal. Of course, no spare tire mount means no place to put your spare, which sucks. But even a weld-on mount means that you can never move it, no matter how bad you may need to. You may not ever want to move your spare tire mount, but at the same time, you never know. So having a tire mount that's removable is super nice. Plus, if your trailer didn't come with one, this gives you a place to keep a spare that doesn't take up space in the bed of your truck. I've included affiliate links to 2 different ones. The first one is a super cheap option, but the thing is, it works. It's basically just a U-bolt, if we're being honest, but it gives you a way to mount your tire to part of the rail on your trailer, and once you tighten it down, it'll stay there. Here's the thing though, for not a crazy amount more, you can get one that will bolt straight to the trailer and stay there, spare tire or not. It makes it a lot easier to mount your spare tire, trust me. Either option is going to hold your spare tire on there though, and the important thing at the end of the day is that you have a spare tire. You definitely don't want to get caught with a flat and no spare. Also, for those of you who are concerned, there's no drilling needed with these. You just mount them over top of a square rail on your trailer and they cinch down tight enough so that they're not going anywhere. Now for the bonus tip. So I can't put this as one of the 5 because it's not going to apply to every trailer. But if your utility trailer has brakes, then this is one of the smartest upgrades out there that you can buy. It's one of these spring breakaway cables, and it will make your life 1,000 times easier not having that long cable that can rub on the ground and break. This one is always going to stay right where it's easy to get to, and it's not going to rub on the ground or anything like that. Literally, all you have to do is come down here to your current crappy breakaway cable, you pull it out, and then you just take your new awesome breakaway cable, you put it in. Maybe. I can do it with one hand. I got this. Oh, there. You just got to put it in the right direction. Comment below and let me know which upgrade is your favorite or which one I missed. Also, if you want to get some more upgrade ideas, check out this video. It's about enclosed trailers, but a lot of them will apply to utility trailers too. Thanks for watching.